Mother and son.
Ito may upuan. So, paano lang si Elias? Jollibee, baka walang nagkita si Elias. Ito na lang yung Jollibee.
Jollibee, pag nilaglag yan, bugbog ka.
Elias.
Yan.
Oh, blow the candle. Sabay-sabay ha, kantahan ha.
Si Jack, happy birthday kami ni Jollibee. Ay, kasabay ng palakpakan. Pati yung mga adults kakanta po.
Siyempre.
Nagalain si Jollibee. Okay. Palakpakan, yes.
Yay! To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Dennis, kamay! Kamay, happy birthday! Wow, balloon!
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Okay, isang malakas na. Happy birthday, Ellie!
Happy birthday, Ellie!
Okay, bibigyan tayo ng matangli. Ibibigyan ni Ellie sa kanya.
Oh, sige.
Okay, ready?
Oh, 1, 2, 3, blow the candle! Blow!
Wow, wala.
Kapaya! Yay! Mabuhay, Jay! Mabuhay!
Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang wish ni...
Dino!
Wish ni Mami for Ellie. Ano po ang wish ni Mami? Wish ka? Merry Christmas, Mami Muya.
Ellie!
I wish you all the best, success, happiness, and good health.
Ay,
I
naku.
wish you joy. Like your ate, Kuya.
Ellie, happy birthday! Smile!
God bless you.
Abang ko to.
Happy birthday.